Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at DYDX and ask the question, would I buy or should you buy DYDX, not financial advice, in the bear market? This is installment 71 of 1001. As always, you can see the link to every video in the playlist, in the Would I Buy playlist, in the description of this video. And if you like this content, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section, all for the algorithm. But otherwise, let's go ahead and dive right on into this. Would I buy DYDX in the bear market? All right, well, first of all, I need to separate a couple things. As I'm looking at DYDX, this is something that I am interested in using because of their perpetual contracts. I have KuCoin. That's mostly what I use for my trading, for my leverage trading, whatever you want to say. And KuCoin, without KYC in the United States, I can't do KYC on KuCoin. I can do up to 5x leverage with DYDX. From what I've read, everything I've read, you can do up to 25x. Not that I would be ever interested in doing 25x, but I like at least having that option. And so I am interested in DYDX as a platform. I am interested in seeing how it grows. I am interested in a lot of things with DYDX. I like their user interface. It looks very clean and crisp. And another thing that I'll say, I guess the answer is yes, but there are some red flags. Is again, going back to my initial video in this series, was this cryptocurrency created before or after April 14th of 2021? If after, then it's an automatic yes for me. And for DYDX, this is a cryptocurrency that was created after April 14th of 2021. So I am interested. Will I buy it? I'm not sure. Would I buy it? Yes. Now, with that being said, let me just throw out some caution for the next euphoria phase, whenever that may be. Now, DYDX, as far as the growth as a platform is concerned, it could do very well, which would cause the price to go much higher. As far as the tokenomics are concerned, I'm a little on edge. I mean, all right, look at the market cap, 472 million. Look at the fully diluted market cap, 3 billion. That means of the supply that has been released into the ecosystem, we are at a point where it's only about 1/6 of that supply. All right, I want to look at the market cap in comparison to the price real quick. You can see some pretty significant changes here. Look at the market cap in today in comparison to the market cap when the price peaked in September of 2021, and you're not noticing that much of a difference in comparison to the price. You see a minor blip in the price of DYDX. This is another thing that I would say when I'm making this video on January 31st of 2023. It's up 23% today, this moment, as I'm making this video. This is not something that short term I would be touching with a 10-foot pole. But that is a cause for concern. The difference, you see a little blip in the price, but then you see quite a significant jump in market cap. That is because of inflationary pressure with DYDX. And so let's take a look at that. What would cause that is, number one, the allocation. So 27.7% to investors, 25% staking rewards, 15% to employees, airdrop 7.5%. Other things, you can see future employees 7%. There's a lot of the supply of DYDX that is being locked up, and I'm assuming investing schedules with insiders. That is just a thing. I'm not going to say there's any there. I'm not a huge fan of that. I'll just say that. Not a huge fan, but it is what it is. You do what you want with that. Congrats, DYDX, for the millions that the insiders are going to make. The other thing that I would say, look at their circulating supply on Messario, my go-to website when I take a look at tokenomics and chart stuff in general. And I am seeing quite a significant increase in the supply over the last year. That is double the supply over the last year, the circulating supply. And so perhaps next year it would go up another 70 million. That is an increase of 33.3% of its supply annually. And so what happens when we're just trying to keep the price at a certain level with this cryptocurrency? That kind of pressure is going to suppress the price until the day until the time that, all right, well, what's the next big thing? When are the influencers going to hype up DYDX as that mid-cap gem that's going to 100x, guaranteed to 100x, that's going to blow your mind? That, as far as that's concerned, yeah, sure, DYDX could put in a higher high next time around. If that does happen, I think it's going to be quick. And that's probably my biggest takeaway from this, is that this is not going to spend an extended amount of time above its previous all-time high, in my opinion. I think its next bear market, it's going right back down to these levels right here. You know, all-time low as of right now of 62 cents. Maybe not that low, but between the $2 and $3 range. I could see this in 2026, 2027 being right back there. Higher high, sure. $100, maybe that's in the cards. But quick move, insiders, whoever has it. I don't know the vesting schedules, but if the vesting schedules are a year or 2 or 3 after the initial launch date, I would expect somebody, a whale, a DYDX whale, somebody who was a part of the team creating it or an initial investor, to look for a strategic time to exit this cryptocurrency, and that exit will be swift. If you want more information as to what I'm talking about that, look at my NEO video, NEO, N-E-O, of the Would I Buy series that I made, I believe, a week before this video. And you can see the sharp move, the tokenomic supply, the supply dynamics caused that to be a very quick move. And let me just see real quick if I can find anything about that. I don't think I can. But like I said, would I buy DYDX? Sure. Will I buy? I'm not sure. Will I use DYDX? Most likely, yes. So more positives than negatives, and this is not a mixed review. This is more of a positive review. But with many cryptocurrencies that are newer, these are some things that you need to take into consideration. But I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Will you be buying DYDX in the bear market? As always, I am an open book with this. Perhaps you know more than I do on this particular cryptocurrency, and you can educate me. I am very much willing to hear your thoughts in that regard. But otherwise, I hope you have a great day, great rest of your week, and I will most certainly be seeing you in another video. Peace.